Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable requesting a credit limit review with Discover, full guide step by step clearly. To enable requesting a credit limit review with Discover, start by logging into use your username and password to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option labeled Credit Limit Increase. Click on that option to proceed. You'll be presented with information about credit limit requests. Read through the guidelines to understand the eligibility requirements. If you meet the criteria, click on the Request Credit Limit Increase button. Fill out the required information in the requested fields. This may include your annual income and employment status. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information. Review your request summary for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your request. You will receive an instant decision in most cases. If not approved immediately, you'll be informed when you can expect an update. Keep an eye on your email for further notifications from Discover. Follow any additional instructions if provided. After your review, you will know whether your new credit limit has been approved. Remember to monitor your account for changes. Understanding your credit limit can help you manage your finances effectively. That's the complete guide to enabling a credit limit review with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.